Certain provinces have been able to flatten the curve and are now starting to talk about when they may be able to slowly start revising health restrictions over the coming weeks and months. This has raised concerns about a possible patchwork approach across the country. Other countries have released national frameworks, so why hasn't Canada? Does the federal government have a plan to start revising health restrictions in an orderly fashion when this crisis passes? What are the eventual benchmarks that will guide lifting border and travel restrictions? Do we have enough personal protective equipment? How much PPE will be required to support key industries? How is the federal government preparing to get ahead of a possible second or third wave? Canadians are looking for clarity and leadership during this crisis, not more confusion and delays. It is incumbent upon the Prime Minister to present Canadians with a plan immediately. From the beginning of this crisis, this Liberal government has been slow to react, slow to close our borders, slow to put in place enhanced screening measures in our airports, slow to admit that masks could prevent the spread of the disease, slow to procure much-needed medical supplies, slow to increase the wage subsidy, devastatingly slow to offer help to our energy sector.
We know that everyone wants to know when this is going to be over, when we're going to be able to get back to normal life. Well, until we have either a vaccine or significant treatments for COVID-19, we're not going to be able to talk about getting back to normal. But in the coming months, we will be able to loosen a number of the restrictions and rules that we have right now on personal mobility in certain sectors, on the economy. Different provinces are in very different postures related to COVID-19 and will be taking decisions that are appropriate for them. What we're doing at the federal level is attempting to pull together and coordinate all different provinces so that we are working from a similar set of guidelines and principles to ensure that Canadians right across the country are being kept safe as we look to those next steps.